Hi, I'm Peter Sidwell, and today's recipe is a wonderful, creamy macaroni cheese, but not just any macaroni cheese, we're actually putting beer in it as well. So the first thing you need to do is nice big pan, salted boiling water, and we're gonna cook our macaroni for 8 minutes, okay? It's quite important that you don't overcook the macaroni, because don't forget it's got to go in the oven as well. So 8 minutes, it wants a bite, okay? Is make the sauce, okay? So we're gonna take 50 grams of butter into a pan and we're gonna melt that down. Then we take equal amount of flour to butter. So 50 grams of plain flour in there once the butter has melted. Mix that together and cook it out for about 30 seconds to a minute. It's quite important that you cook that flour out because we don't want the sauce to taste floury, we want it to taste creamy and rich and lovely. So once that's done, we're now going to take the beer. Now, you can take any beer you like. The darker the beer, the more the flavour, okay? So I wouldn't go for a lager because you're not going to get anything from that. You want a nice, rich, malty beer. We're going to go with a 500ml bottle into here, so add in a splash, mix it around. It'll instantly swell. The roux, which is the flour and the butter, will swell and absorb the beer and can become a looser kind of paste. So add some in, stir it around, add a little bit more, stir it again, and just keep slowly incorporating the full bottle of beer on a medium to high heat until it fully absorbs and you have then a sauce. Once the flour's fully incorporated in with the beer and the butter, we're then going to add a splash of milk to make it a more creamier sauce. So in with 100 mils of milk, and then it's in with your cheeses. Now, it's really up to you, but you need to go for good, weighty, mature cheddars or Lancashires or red Leicesters. You want something with some guts there, okay? So in with your grated cheese, and then in with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, again, just to reinforce all those lovely flavours, okay? So have a little taste of your sauce now and make sure that it's got that real depth of flavour. I'm going to season my sauce with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce because it just works really well. It adds more layers of flavour, it just makes it. We try to make mac and cheese crossed with rarebit, that lovely cheese on toast type flavour. So a little bit of Worcester sauce in there, give it a stir, give it a taste, make it right for you. Transfer the pasta and the sauce into a nice oven-proof dish. Top it with a little bit more grated cheese. I like to top mine with a few breadcrumbs because I love the crunchy bits on the top. So if that's your thing, a few breadcrumbs on there. Into the oven, 180 degrees. You've got 25 minutes to wait until it's lovely and bubbly and golden crisp. And there you will have the most amazing macaroni cheese made with beer. I mean, what could be better? Perfect for Father's Day. You'll love that recipe. Now, if you want the recipe, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you'll find it there.